What's up guys, No Nonsense Chris. In this renovation tip, I want to talk about shower heads. I am shocked at how many houses I walk through that have been newly renovated with brand new showers, and the shower head is like right here. So literally I'm 5'10", so I'm not super tall, I'm average height, but that's not gonna work. That's literally firing right in my face. Make it more functional. You know, when you're going ahead and renovating these showers, you're opening up all the walls. So for maybe less than $100, you can have your plumber raise the height of the shower head. So now someone 6 foot, 6'2", 6'3", can still comfortably use the shower. You want to make those decisions for functionality so someone doesn't come through your house, look at your beautiful shower and say, Jesus, I can't buy this house. That shower head's never going to work for me. And they're not going to go ahead and knock all this out and raise it. That makes no sense. So be smart, think about functionality, and when you're going ahead and doing something like this in your showers, raise the shower heads. Spend the extra $50 to $100 to make it functional for a wider audience of buyers so everyone's going to see the value and be impressed with your finishing. It's the fine details that will separate you from your competition and allow you to get yourself in a position to get a top dollar price for your renovation. So raise your shower heads when you're renovating your bathroom showers. Chris Trophy, No Nonsense Real Estate. If you like videos like this, check out more on my Instagram homepage, which is no_nonsense_Chris, or my YouTube channel, which is No Nonsense Chris. Good luck, guys. Happy renovating. Raise those shower heads.